Good morning YouTube friends. We are in sunny Kos, a resort called Tigaki. I think that's how you say it. It might be pronounced Tigaki, I'm not sure, I need to find out. But this is the Tigaki Star Hotel. Fancy a room tour. It's nothing special, but it's clean, it's decent, and it's somewhere to lay your head. Okay. Room 123. Let's have a look. We'll start with the small bathroom. It's all clean and perfectly usable. Sorry, I've left the lid up on the loo. The shower, pretty bog standard, but perfectly good. This is, by the way, this is what they call, it's a double room in the main building. They also have rooms in outside buildings. I'm not sure what they call them. I think they call them bungalows, but they're not bungalows because there's 2 stories. Anyway, so what we got here, we've got 2 single beds which are together, and there is not much room for storage and stuff. We've got aircon, all included in the price. A small fridge freezer, TV. Most of our clothes went in this cupboard. But that's pretty much all you got. So we are utilising the cases as well, plus some drawers here. Pretty simple, isn't it? As for the balcony, I think wife is out here. Here she is, morning.
Hello, you okay?
Another room review.
Ah, yes.
Yes. So we are right above the kitchen, the, what is that what it's called? The restaurant.
Yeah.
Which is down there. So we can hear a bit of clunking in the mornings while everyone's getting the food together and whatnot. Now the view we've got, as you can see to the left, we've got the mountains where Zia is. The salt lake is over there, which I think is dry at the moment, I'm not sure. And the beautiful beach is just down there. Nice place, eh?